just dropped in. So we're all a little bit down. So it's nice to receive a free gift. This is a free gift from eGolf, and it's down as the Swag 1 tech bag. It's a 15-inch capacity laptop bag. So they've given me a free one, so I said I'd do a little review of it for them. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to go through it. I've not really looked at it, so we'll do it together. Together. Now it's about being together. Right, first things first is it's super light. Very light, in fact. Like, as in, you know, there's nothing to it, basically. It feels quite substantial in terms of, like, the materials involved. I think it looks all like it's very thick stitching, double stitch on the handle. It's good, it's solid. So let's start from the back. Right, the back padded, which is good. Because, you know, nowadays as well, if we're out and about, if we can get out and about, we might need to take more stuff with us if we're quite active. So it's good to have a bag that's got a little bit of space in, but lots of pockets. And by the looks of it, this thing's got quite a few pockets. So anyway, let's see. So this is nice and soft, nice and padded. I think this is, yeah, this is for travel. If you're going to put it on top of a suitcase, the extended handle would go in there. What's that? Looks like a pocket, a secret pocket. It's in this. This is padded as well. It's good that this is padded because I always find you get a sweaty lower back if you don't have a padded pack. Yeah, so it's just another little pocket. Pretty good. Right, next, what have we got? So a little thing to hook some stuff in, quite handy. What else? Yeah, pocket. Again, always good if you're on from the front, if you want some money, some change. Maybe you want to put your keys in there, I don't know. What else? Side pocket. Oh, we've got a charging port, USB, which is, like I said, if we're out and about for hours at a time, always good to have USB. So you've got a side pocket with a zip. Okay, that's good. I was a bit worried because it was a narrow pocket, but it opens all the way, so that's good. Right, we'll investigate this in a minute. So another side pocket with a pocket on the side. Whoa, look at this, a secret. Okay, that's happy, good. Keychain, very good. Nice little touch. Okay, and then you got this detachable thing if you want to stick something on there, if you want to take some stuff on the outside, maybe you could stick like a coat in there or a scarf, something like your water bottle, something like that, very good. Front pocket, that's quite deep. I thought that was going to be a small pocket, quite deep pocket. What else we got? So your front lower pocket, again quite a lot of space in there, big pocket, you can get a fair bit in there. To the inside. The magic, right, so you can see you've got two different levels to the bag. So let's go in from the front. It's on my way. Okay, right. So what have we got? Another little keychain thing. Again, I think this is like a one that probably clips off and on. Yeah. Got a little pocket there. 2 pens. Another pocket. What else we got? It's like I don't know where these little secret little compartments are going to be. I think there's going to be a few of them. So I'm feeling around the bag. Okay, right inside the main compartment. So you got again 2 more pockets, deep pockets, and this is okay. So this is where the USB goes in, and you plug that into your power bank. And the power bank, there's a little pocket on the side, but you can see that where your power bank goes. So they've thought of all these little things for the active person on the go, travelling around. Right, let's have a look at everything. Now it looks like there's another secret pocket. Right, let's have a look. Wow, it's a pocket with pockets. Okay, so we got, let's have another look. We've got a pen. Another, if you want 3-4 pens, you might want more, I don't know. Another pen. Wow, lots of pens. And then you got little card slots. So this is like a spy bag then, isn't it? So if you maybe you've got your foreign identity, passports and things, I don't know. A zip, compartment again for money or something to be stored away, and then a little Velcro pocket again. Looks like a mesh on the inside as well. So very good. It's amazing they've got all this stuff in, being so lightweight. Right, that's it for the inside. Yeah, quite a big size. So I guess this would be, you know, bits and pieces. Maybe if you're travelling, you could put some clothes in there. Of course, there's no space for a laptop on that bit, so I'm assuming that must be in the back. Good zips as well, no catching on anything. Right, and then let's open up the back pockets. So this goes all the way, so it gives you much more space. So yeah, this is the laptop portion. So that's where your laptop goes. You've got the fastener to keep it secured. Something else in there. Then another little pocket, maybe some documents or something to go in there. And then another quite big compartment. That's pretty good. So overall, very impressed. I would do a count back on the pockets, but I think there are so many pockets it would take me too long, so I can't be bothered doing that. But all I'd say is this is a great bag for being active, on the go, travelling. You're out for the day, you've got your power, you've got your laptop, you've got your little bits, you've got room for 4 pens if you need 4 pens. Yeah, I think it's good. Now all we need to be able to do is actually start going out again, and maybe we can start using something like this. That's it, so check it out. It's the Swag bag, or Swag 1. It's from eGulf, and you can get it from egulf.ae. That's right, is it, Joe? Yeah, my camera on today. egulf.ae, and I think it's around about 150, 160 dirhams. You can also get it on Amazon. So check it out, eGulf Swag.